Before enlightenment, Siddhartha Gautama practiced very hard penance. He stopped eating and became very weak. His body was just bone and skin. He realized that an extremely weak body cannot support a strong mind. Sujata was a young woman. He lived near the forest. She had a wish to thank the tree god. She prepared a special dish called rice pudding. When she sees Siddharth sitting under the tree, she thought he was the tree god himself. She offered the